press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
We drill a lot of holes consecutively all day. With the 9.0 battery, with its capacity, they can drill all day, production goes way up.
Super Hawg's really good because we can drill through almost anything, and with the 9.0 battery, we'll be able to go all day.
When you have that amount of power on the drill, you don't have to switch out your batteries or your bits, and it gets through extremely fast.
It really powers through the studs, even on the larger bits.
When you have an M18 system, everything is compatible with one another, and then you throw in those 9.0 batteries and you're done with these projects in half the time.
Everything that we need to do can be done with the M18 system.
We are completely cordless. It's a complete system. It has everything I need to finish a job, start to finish. It is a perfect set of tools that we need. It's great. I love the versatility.
Milwaukee tool meets our needs. In combination with the Super Hawg and the 9.0 battery, it's just the perfect tool.
The power in the new fuel circ saw is just as good, if not more, than a corded saw.
With the fuel circ saw, I have no problem cutting anything that I would cut with a corded saw. It cut right through the LVLs, no problem. It didn't slow it down at all. I'll cut 2x4s with it all day long.
You just can't say enough about the power of it. I mean, when you're a carpenter, you're looking for power when you need it to cut. It's definitely got all the power it needs.
I just really like how it cuts fast and cuts straight. The new Milwaukee fuel circ saw is all about speed.
The new 12.0 battery lasts all day.
The 12.0 battery gives a tool plenty of power throughout the whole day.
The new fuel circ saw is very heavy duty, nice, compact, tight, strong, feels good in my hand. That's what we need out here.
Oh, it's heavy duty, it's great.
Changed the way we work big time. Well, you're not going to beat the power and the mobility of it. Definitely is the game changer.
Grab the saw and cut and go. I mean, you can't beat it.
The blade speed on the M18 fuel jigsaw is good or better than any other jigsaw I've used, and that includes corded jigsaws.
The M18 fuel jigsaw has a lot more speed than the corded. Speed and power are very important to have a good, straight, clean cut.
We've used the M18 fuel jigsaw on a number of different products, and there's been nothing that even remotely slows it down.
Being able to control the speed with the trigger makes you easily able to adapt on a second for whatever you're cutting. If you're cutting a straight line into a radius through hardwood, it still works out perfect. It allows us to make tighter turns, tighter radiuses, and you get a lot less fray, just a smoother, nicer cut.
The toolless feature for the blade changing is great.
The fact that you can change the angle without using an Allen wrench is a huge added bonus. There's so many times that you cut and you can't see your line because all the material builds up there, and now with the blower switch it clears it all out. It saves you so much time.
Running off the M18 battery, I could probably run it all day.
Nobody wants corded tools anymore. This is by far the best I've ever used. I love it.
I was blown away with the fuel table saw. It was excellent.
The new fuel table saw is great. When I first started using it, I was surprised it wasn't corded. I couldn't believe it was battery operated.
A lot of power. We could cut dimensional lumber, sheet goods. Excellent power. I liked the rack and pinion fence. The capacity of the fuel table saw is excellent. It's still compact, but you can still use it in daily activities.
The fence is great, the rip fence is true. I like the dial-in adjustment on there on the fence for calculating your cuts.
The new 12.0 battery would definitely last a whole day of work.
We were able to rip dimensional goods, and we had plenty of run time throughout the day.
The new fuel table saw is definitely a job site tool to have. The mobility, the long-lasting battery, it's all there in one package.
Using the fuel table saw, I don't see a reason to even carry our corded table saw in the trailer anymore. This will meet all of our expectations in daily use.
New from Milwaukee, the Hole Dozer with carbide teeth hole saws, delivering the longest life in stainless steel. Cut longer, cut more, and cut faster with the Hole Dozer with carbide teeth. These hole saws are engineered to be the longest lasting, fastest cutting carbide tipped hole saws on the market, delivering 50 times longer life over bimetal hole saws and 2 times faster cutting. Cut through stainless steel, wood with nails, cement board, fiberglass, plaster, and more. The Milwaukee Hole Dozer with carbide teeth, delivering the longest life in stainless steel.